Hello, guys. Hi, guys.
Hello,
Hope
Kubai.
hope all had a great Sunday.
Can you hear me?
Yeah. Am I audible to everyone?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay.
Recording in progress.
I'm audible, right?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, great. Where are you going? You're driving?
No, I'm at home.
Home, okay. I thought you're driving.
No, no. Just having my dinner along with this.
Oh, okay. I'm thinking that from tomorrow I will start trading in iPad. It is super easy.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's nice. I mean, easily you can trade there.
But in iPad, I don't think you can draw lines and all that. No? Is it?
No, no. Today I did one video in iPad only.
Oh, acha, acha, okay.
You must have seen one of the video which I did
Uh-huh.
today in YouTube. That is from iPad only.
Oh, acha, acha.
Let's wait for 2 more minutes, then we'll start. Till then, look at this chart. You will love this.
Higher eyes.
Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Mr. Mandovi. I heard that your boss bought Lamborghini. Yeah, you sent me the picture also, no? How much it is? What, 6 crores or 5 crores?
No, this is actually Arun. Prakash is not in online, maybe.
Oh, no, he's online only, but he's not talking. You both voices are same.
Okay.
Prakash boss bought Lamborghini around 6 crores. I told him, you ask him to give that 6 crores to me, no? I'll make that 12 crores in 3 days and give you.
Yeah,
What
at least
Lamborghini?
1 month is enough for you.
There is no good roads also in Mangalore for Lamborghini.
Correct.
Hello.
Ah, Prakash, we were talking about you only, about Lamborghini.
Goodness. I was there witnessing the this one, not the this one launching display.
Yeah, yeah, I saw the picture where you were also there, next to
Yeah, yeah.
Lamborghini.
I didn't have, don't have the proper picture. I'll send you some other day.
No, no, I have seen many Lamborghinis. I don't need a picture. I want real Lamborghini in front of my house.
Hopefully.
Yeah, what I'll do with the picture? My son have a lot of pictures now with Lamborghini.
Okay.
Uh,
I think
Which
this
model it is?
pre-training session,
What?
pre-training session discussion.
Yeah, because time is there. No, 8:30, 53. We will give one more minute, then we'll start.
I'm stuck today. See, I'm already at home. At home, nobody this one finished bath and all. I don't know. I think I'll be joined after 50 minutes or so.
Yeah, anyways, this session is recorded, so you can anytime listen to it.
No issues.
I'll send you the private link from YouTube.
Okay, done.
Cool, then perfect, guys. Let's start. Time's up. Whoever didn't join can't help. So, no more time for waiting. I request everyone to mute. So we'll start today, and today's topic is how to understand different trend line support and how to understand insider trading from NSE website, which will be always a jackpot. That is how we select the stock for intraday and long and swing of like 2 to 3 days type swings. So we will find stocks from there. And yeah, that's all for today. Right now I want to show everyone that what I am looking at. It is a ITC chart. Look at ITC. ITC is again woke up from the market. Welcome guys, welcome both. Ravi, we just had a chit chat and we have started. So let's see first ITC, then we will change our topics, because ITC right now in a verge of giving big breakouts. Today ITC is standing at around 267, and if you observe now how you need to see the ITC trend lines, I would like to everyone to mute all please. Yeah, cool. So I muted everyone, and hope everybody can listen to my voice. Cool. So this is how ITC looks like in a daily candle for you. So what you do basically, you will not understanding. If it is a normal trader, what they'll do, they will only see this particular phase, and nobody want to see what happened last time, what happened 6 months before, what happened 1 year before. If you start seeing those type of levels when you're seeing older days time frame, then you will understand how to take a swing trade or how to take a trade. Cool. So let me show you. Whenever you get this breakout charts from any stocks, right now we are only discussing ITC because I wanted to show you guys. Once you understand this, the moment you open Zerodha or anything, first you need to change time frame to month. Now it is showing us a month from last 2012 to 2022. It is showing us all the month. Stock is there only, then and that is the same place stock is struggling, and the high made stock was ever high was 369. That was a high what stock made or stock gave. But if you observe from that high also, it had a consolidation on the same month till 345. So 345 was the good volume high which was there in ITC stock. What is the next resistance for ITC? If you are observing this particular line, which is 322, both the time in June 2017 and August 2018, September 2018, it was struggling at the same heights and again came down. What is the third resistance? Third resistance is this, where October 2018, 1st March 2019, 1st April 2019, 2nd May 2019, means 3 month market was consolidating here, and from there it fell down to the deep because this was a corona dip, but it's okay. It is again a learning for us. Where is a 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth resistance? Observe very carefully. This is the fifth resistance. Market tested this at 2016, 2017. Market was consolidating here till 2018, 2019, 2019. It means from 4 years market was consolidating at this place. Welcome Yamini, you're little late. We started, so we will continue. Anyways, this is a recorded session, so you will get the recording link. So now if you guys are observing, ITC is again standing at the exact resistance where it was on 2019, 19, 20, 21, 22. After 3 years, ITC is again came here. But observe one more thing. When ITC came here, it was in a green. Green means volume, buying volume. Whenever you want to climb somewhere, maybe to a hill, maybe any hill station or upper side zones, what you need energy, you need strength, more strength, then only you will go up. If you lose strength or energy, you will come back because you're giving up there. Same thing, if you're observing a stock, when there is a energy, when there is a volume, when there is a capacity, stock will give a breakout. When there is no strength, stock will come down. Same thing again here, market tried to go up, went up, but again selling pressure came. But now if you're observing, okay, let me put an indicator of volume, and let's see how you are watching at volume, and it is easy for me to tell you. Now see, huge volume is accumulated to give a breakout from 200 to, from 1 month data, it directly came to 267. This is ITC. Now if you are a swing trader, what do you need to do? Now change the monthly to, change to 1 day. Okay, change to 1 day. Now while you're seeing 1 day, it is very far targets. If you are observing 1 day, very far targets. But in a cash call parameter in my group, I had given a first target, direct third target would be 299. I have given 300, but yeah, 299.7 is a chart what we are looking at. But if you go with the pin to pin most what is say, in a particular way, we might see 300 also. 1 minute guys, let me see. Okay, cool. Yeah, now in a 1 day, if you're a swing trader, what you need to do, you need to see in a 1 day what is a trend line breakout. So let's see what is the trend line is happening here. Actually, I don't like trend lines because trend line is only in the beginning. That is what I'm teaching you guys. Once you are expert, after seeing just a chart, it is like just 2 minutes job for you to understand how the market is behaving. So let me see the trend line now. From here I'll draw trend line. Cool. So I just drew it in a second, but yeah, for you it will take time. So if you're observing the trend line, every time market is coming here and taking support. If you are observing here support, this is called support. Market came down, took a support, bounce back. Market again tried touching this level, went up. Again here it tried, but it never came to this level. From again here, market tried to touch this level, bounce back. Again once more time here. 1 minute guys, hold on, my dog is barking. Sorry. Okay, now market is taking trend line support and giving a bounce back. Whenever there is a trend line support is taken, you can see a upwards move. Same thing is in a reverse pattern also. If stock is coming down, you can put a trend line like this also. Observe very carefully. So this is again a trend line. Market went up, took a rejection, came down, up again, took a rejection, came down, gave a breakout. This is what is the level exactly you will buy. Again went up, rejected from the highs, came down, again took a support, again bounced, took a support. If this trend line is broke, then market will fall. Now right now we are exactly at the position where it is in a, it gave a breakout, heavy breakout. So this was a range where we need to buy a stock whenever it is. But we had not concentrated much on ITC because ITC was never in my list. This is a government based company and they are very good at only dividends. And I don't, sit on ITC because ITC is a huge capital market. So I really don't want to buy ITC and hold it. It might give me money, but yeah, there is 7 to 8,000 listed companies who can give me better money than ITC. Because ITC, there are huge stockholders in India, and most of the people who buy ITC is the long-term investors, because 200 rupees stocks, they'll get 4 times dividend in a year. 4 years dividend, their 200 rupees is back. After that, that is only the investment purpose what they keep. So right now I'm showing you how to understand, analyze charts. Right now, observe here. This is exact breakout because both the trend line gave a crossover and stock jumped from here, made a new high from 2 to 3 year multi-year high. That is called as multi-year high. Now again we will see in a short time, like a 5 minute or 15-minute range. Now this is for a intraday purpose. If you want to do a intraday in the stock, how we can take this stock upwards. Observe in intraday here, there's an amazing sorry, something wrong. Okay, you're seeing my chart, right? Everybody is able to see trading view.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. If you're observing here in intraday, huge volumes are generated here. Huge. There is no single red candle. Huge volumes. So this is the time you need to wait here in an intraday purpose. You need to wait because in the intraday now what we do, we will do the same thing what we did for the long term. We will create a trend line again and we'll see where is the stock is headed. So observe here, this is again a trend line support taken up. Then now we need to wait for a retracement. What stock will do in an intraday? What was the immediate support? So there should be immediate support for this stock in a longer time frame. Right now we are not seeing, but as per me, there should be a pullback before market goes up at least till this space, which is 263. Are you observing this 263 was a immediate support because that was a wick rejection. What happened at 9:45 morning at 6th April 2022? Here we had a rejection and again market was consolidate, came down, then it went up. So as per me, from here now market will come down. Always market will never go in a single way. So market will come down like this. This is the place where we'll buy. From here again market will go upside. From here it will test this level, then you can see upside movement. So this is how chart analysis works. So many people ask me, without seeing a fundamental, how you're saying? Because I really don't need to see fundamental, because fundamental is only for the people who hold the stock for 10 years, 15 years, maybe 5 years, the long term investors. Because I really don't want to know who is the CEO or what happened in that company, what is the PE ratio and all these things, because I don't hold stocks for 10 to 15 years. This is how the chart study works. So ITC was a very good example. That is why I thought I'll give you guys. Anyways, I have shared already ITC chart with you. So be careful. Don't simply buy whenever you are getting a momentum. Buy on the logic. Simply, okay, somebody told, some CNBC guy told, some Rakesh Jhunjhunwala told, or anybody tells, you don't need to buy stocks from their knowledge. You should know when to enter, when to exit. Now, exactly the same way, I'll show you another thing what I showed you last time, VWAP. Now let's use VWAP here and we see how this VWAP is actually working in this ITC. Let me check. I'll remove EMIs because I don't need EMIs here. Let it be volume, let it be there, and I'll use VWAP indicator auto. Okay, I'll use this. This is a VWAP. Now let me remove volume. Okay, in a VWAP also I don't need lot of things. I just take only the center line. I don't need a cell. I just need a volume, logic. This is all too much to decide. Okay, let me take a simple VWAP for you guys to show, because it is showing a lot of other also anchored one. Anchored is simple and easy, and in anchor I'll remove style of upper band and lower band. because I just need a VWAP line. So this is the VWAP line basically. Now what VWAP is saying in a intraday buy, because it is above VWAP. Now observe one thing, where I told you guys that market will bounce back till here. Have you observing now? I told you market will come till here, then you buy. Now VWAP is exactly become flat at this level. It means Monday you can see one big wick down touching this level once in the morning, because profit booking will come from here. Whoever bought at 200 215 levels, they will book their profits here on Monday, and all are, who all are holding FNO positions like futures options, they'll make a immediate target book on Monday, because IV value is high. Market will come down here, touch this level, from here it will give a bounce if market is giving this bounce on Monday. If not, market will consolidate. Market means ITC will consolidate within this range only, then from here volume will generate, then market will go up. So this is how you need to understand and select stocks from the chart analysis. I am not seeing any fundamentals. I don't even know who is the owner of ITC, or who is the CEO of ITC, or what is the capital market cap, what they have. Anybody have any question on this? Hello?
Sir, no questions, sir. Just wanted to go through once again how you market the resistance levels.
Okay, good question. So always whenever you're seeing a stock, whenever you're seeing a single stock, go always in a higher time frame, which is 1 month. So when you're seeing a 1 month time frame, go very older days charts and understand where market struggled to break some levels. So this is the place every time market was coming here and going down, coming here, going down, coming here. From here, it gave a breakout. Again came down to the same level, stuck here, consolidate, up, down, again consolidate, up, down, again consolidate, break down, came very low. Again, after so many months, market is again standing at the same location. It means that particular stock is trying to give a multi-year breakout. This is how you mark resistance and support.
Okay.
And you have to try this in every small parameters, like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, because every time frame this support and resistance will change. This is for stocks.
Okay, sir.
Anybody else have any question on ITC or a chart analysis, how we did now, about the trend line, about?
No, sir, it's very clear.
Very clear?
Yes, sir.
Cool, perfect. Then we'll go to the next topic. So this is how you select the particular stocks and understand. Now let's see how we can understand how to find a stock from NSE website. Let me share my screen. If one cannot see my screen, sharing the whole screen. Hope one can see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Everybody can see my screen, right?
Yes, yes.
Cool.
Hello?
Okay. So now here, this is NSE website, and NSE website is the best website that you have to see every day when, if you are really in a stock market or a trader. So your browser should always open with NSE website, because this data is more accurate than your Zerodha, Alice Blue, Angel One, or any other platforms, whatever you are using, because there will be a time lag of 1 to 10 milliseconds, which is a time lag. But in NSE website, it is 100% accurate, because from this website all the data is transferred to another websites. So always watch NSE website. One side you will get your gainers, loser. From these stocks you can understand, you can use VWAP, and you can do buy, sell, all this thing. And this numbers will change every 5 minutes drastically. So you should be more accurate and understand. Here you can see what is active, more active in a volume stocks. like huge volumes are going up and down. Look at this, ITC is again here, ICICI Bank is here. But by seeing this data, you will not trade. You will trade based on price actions only. By seeing this data, you will only understand what is going up or what is going down. So maybe this particular stock might give a bounce back. Now JSW Steel is going up and you bought, and suddenly it might give a drop because there's a huge volume is accumulating here. You don't know whether market is giving up or down. That time you have to work on chart trading, where you will understand how to analyze chart, how to read chart, what is the support, what is the resistance. Then only you can make money from stock market. It is not easy, but it is very simple. So don't complicate your life with a lot of what do you say technical parameters, lot of indicators, lot of lines, lot of numbers. It will never help you to get uh, proper trade. Cool. Then let me show you how to find the insider trading. So this is very good subject. So what happens in insider trading? So now we don't know what LIC is buying, what promoters are buying. You might be seeing my lot of messages. Promoters are buying, promoters are playing, or maybe FII buying, DI buying, selling, and this messages you guys are seeing. But how many really know that what is FII, what is DII, what is promoter? Most of the people don't know. So what happens here? We don't know exactly who is having a bulk deal, block deal, who is buying more quantities, why that particular stock is going up. So in a NSE website, you will get all the data. Here in the NSE website, what you need to do, click on list. There is something called list here. Once you open, you will be in this home page. Once in a home page, you have to select list. In a list, you can see lot of options here. In this, you need to select corporate filings and corporate actions. Once you click corporate actions, there are a lot of columns here: announcement, annual reports, board meet, corporate action, compliances, all these things. There is something called insider trading. You have to select this option, insider trading. In insider trading, now for a week, if I want a data, there is a 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 6 month, 1 year. But usually what we do, we take 1 day data. Once you select 1 day data, just click on download. So once you downloaded this file, you can 1 minute guys, because in Apple this download file will open in numbers. So let me open in Excel. Okay, so I'm opening in Excel. Once it is open, I'll show you. Once one can do a live download right now to understand this, that is better. And I'll show you how this Excel sheet work here. Hold on. These all classes I have already done in the last time. So whoever know this can uh, tell if you guys have tried this anytime, because this is very useful data, and we can easily understand that who is buying what. Anybody tried this in older days? No one?
Not at all, sir.
Possible data loss. Wait, let me try to save this once. Maybe there is some Excel issue is there. Replace and save. 1 minute. Hello? Nobody's talking. Nobody tried this Excel. Okay, maybe this Excel is crashed. Let me download again from the one day. Okay, one day there is no data. Let me take 1 week data and hello.
Yes.
Yes,
Nobody.
sir.
I thought everybody left the meeting.
Oh, no. You're all right.
No, sir. No. Watching, sir.
Okay. So now I downloaded 1 week of file because one day file was not there. Maybe some issue in NSC or it is not updated. Otherwise, it is always there. So once you get this file, you put a filter and try to find in a column as category. Now once you download this file, there is something called category of person. So it is in always in a column E. So you select that and only select promoter group and promoters. Once you select this, then you can see here symbol is basically a stock name. This is all stocks name. Max Healthcare is there where we will get all the data of shareholding, buy and sell. Now what we'll do, we will select only buy because we want the data for buy. Now in this stock you will get all the stocks, what happened with the stocks. Now KCP or Ash India or Morpen Lab, where we can see amazing numbers are happening here. So observe one thing here. Let's select only Morpen Labs and I'll show you what happened with the Morpen Labs. In last 1 week, huge quantity build up here. Look at the number of stock. It is around 10 crores number of stock was bought from promoter group. So this is the stock right now. Let's see what happened with that stock in our chart. Okay, if you can see my screen, tell me, otherwise I will show you my screen. Trading view. See, last 1 week data. We are in a monthly data here. We will change this to 1 week. And from last 1 week, this was the data. Let's see 1 day chart. Wow, amazing move. Let's see 15 minutes candle. And this was a stock, very small stock of 40 rupees stock, and this is a 15-minute candle. What I'm saying, let me see 1 day candle in a longer time frame. Look at the stock momentum. This is 1 day candle. We are watching it 1 week data. In a 1 week, if you are observing, is 5 trading days. 1 2 3 4 5. So 6. Before that 1 week there was a data. Right now we are seeing data for last 1 week and upcoming week. There's a huge volume built up. Think that by seeing that Excel sheet, if you would have bought that day stock in this candle, maybe this is a resistance. Okay, the moment it is giving a breakout also you might have bought. Think that from 42 rupees to 47 rupees is the profit, or you can hold the stocks because it is retracing levels. And as per me, it will go to these heights for sure, because there is a huge buy happening from promoter groups. They will bring the stock till here, from there again it will come down, again consolidate, and again go up. So this is called insider trading data. Let us see next stock also. Let's see Aarti Drugs. Okay, most of the people in daily or daily trade or a weekly trade, what they do, they'll watch this insider trade Excel file, then they'll start trading. Look at Aarti Drugs also. It is going amazing move. Like in a 15-minute candle also, it is just giving upper circuits. Wow, okay, good. See 1 week data. If one would have bought here at 470, this is a resistance, again resistance and support, and this is the place.
Hello.
Yes, from here you can see the stock made from 476 to 530. Oh my god, it's too good stock. So why? Because here we are watching in Excel sheet, there is promoters and promoter groups bought huge quantities, which is around 10% stocks on 31st March, and they got allotment on 1st April. That is to, again they did all market purchase. So when they are doing a market purchase, of course market will give a good amount, because the moment stock is giving like this raise every day 5%, automatically retailers will start buying. So I want people, I mean you guys, to watch this insider trading every day, this Excel, and come back with the stock and do your analysis. If you really want, buy one stock and watch, and I'm sure that it will give you amazing money. This is how people start trading. Now maybe I don't see insider trading because I see only charts, because I become expert now in chart. I don't want to see NSE website and all, because that is for beginners. Now you guys want to learn. First 10 to 12 months you need to do a lot of hard work on stock market. First 18 month, rule number 2, first 18 months, which is 1.5 year, you should earn more than your salary from stock market. Then third year, which is third year, you can actually start full day stock trading. You don't need to really do any job. So first 12 months you need to learn. First 18 months you need to withdraw more than your monthly salary every month from stock market. Third year you really don't need a job. You can give job to many people. So one is understanding the chart study. For the chart study, what I do after this meet, more 10 to 15 minutes, I will send one a PDF file which I have created. Most of the people already gone through that. Again I will send you. And last time also in a training, I had told everyone to come with a 10 stocks at least a day or a week. Come with the resistance and support drawn by your side and discuss. Some people did, some people didn't. Whoever did, they are earning by their own now. Whoever didn't, they're losing by their own now. That is, I'm not responsible for your mistakes, because I have given you clear cut directions how to put resistance, how to put support, from where you need to trade, and how you need to take entry, exit, everything. Now, if everyone is interested only in index, bank nifty and nifty, I can teach you that also, but that is 1000% riskier than 100% risk stocks. So stock is very small thing. Almost there is no risk. There is almost zero risk, because if it is not going today, it will go up tomorrow. But index is not like that. Index trading is very risky. So fundamentally, what you need to do, basic thing. First, you need to know how to read NSE website. Whatever is available in website, everything is useful. But most of the people don't watch NSE website at all. They watch CNBC, they watch Money Control, they watch all of the third party apps, but they don't watch NSE website. Second, fundamental part 2. If you can make money from stocks, equity, only equity, that to consistency profit, then you can start intraday stocks, intraday equity market. Third point, if you are able to make consistency profit in intraday equity, then you can go to F&O stocks. If you passed F&O stock level, then you can go to index, which is Nifty and Bank Nifty. If these 5 parameters are passed, then it comes commodity. This is all the risk level, 0 to 5. What people do, simple mistake, they directly start with commodity and they lose everything. They lose their capital, they lose their interest, they lose what do you say, mood, they lose their stand on stock market, they'll just leave the stock market and go. People start with index directly, भाई अभी मुझे बैंक निफ्टी निफ्टी कॉल्स दे दो, मुझे 1 लाख 2 लाख बनाना है, ओके 4 दिन चलता है, 5th day 60,000-70,000 rupees loss, because they don't know what to do. Somebody told buy, they bought. Now they don't know when to exit, what is the target, how to exit, why I can't wait, or why should I wait, because they don't know parameters. They don't know what is support, what is resistance, what is the trend line, how moving average works, what is delta, gamma, beta. They don't know. Third, people will directly come and say मुझे ऑप्शन में खेलना है, ले लो ऑप्शन, कौन मना करता है, बट दे डोंट नो ऑप्शन में आईवी वैल्यू क्या होता है. इधर स्टॉक उड़ रहा है बट ऑप्शन नहीं उड़ रहा है, आपने बोला लेने के लिए, मैंने ले लिया. पीपल विल कम, मुझे डायरेक्टली इंट्राडे करना है, कर लो इंट्राडे. दे डोंट नो वेयर देयर स्टॉप लॉस, द मार्केट विल eat their stop loss and go up. फाइनली दे विल कम टू भाई कैश कॉल्स दे दो, मैं चुपचाप कैश में पैसा कमाता हूँ. दैट इज व्हाट एग्जैक्टली पीपल फॉलो उल्टा. So first you should start from cash, next intraday, third options, fourth index, fifth commodity. Once these all levels done, then you are a pro trader. Wherever, whatever you see, you can make money out of that. Simple as that. Very simple. So you guys are observing already, no? Wherever I go, whichever chart I touch, I'll make money. It is not like that whatever Raghu touch, it will go up, because I only touch whichever is already going up. So that's the difference. So now tell me, how many people directly want to start with commodity? I guess if someone is not minding here in this group, I think I can see Mr. Harish is there. Harish, you want to share your personal feedback, if you don't mind?
ಏನೇನ ಬಾಯ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
No, you can tell everyone so they will understand.
ಹೇಳಿ ಬಾಯ್, ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳಿ ಬಾಯ್, ನಾನೇನಿಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕ್ರಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಹೇಳಿ ನೀವೇ.
Okay, so Harish is in our team. What he did, he was in the stock market from last 2 to 3 years, I guess.
No, ಬಾಯ್, just 3 months.
Okay, just 3 months. And he pumped up 5 lakh rupees as a capital in the beginning. And he was very happy making good money from index. Somebody told him to buy, he bought. Somebody told him to sell, he sold. Then his brother, his name is Girish, me and he was working together in Maxin once upon a time, and before that also I know him from last 15 years. So I met him and he told my brother is a trader. I'm like, wow, good. Then I spoke to Harish. That day Harish understood what is F&O. He didn't know what is F&O. He didn't know what is index. He didn't know what is commodity. Then I was clearly given the same, whatever we are discussing today in this class. I told him the same thing on his call, but yeah, he started directly from commodity. He made good money in the beginning in commodity, because market always give you first welcome bonus, then it will take all the money back. He lost his all capital. Then he joined training program. He understood. He started very hard now, and without my calls, he is earning every day only from intraday stocks. So that is a level of learning here. That is why I'm telling everyone, whoever is jumping here, only index, commodity. Please don't do that. Start from stocks, understand basics. Once you learn from stocks, then you go to next level. Making money is simple, but it is not easy because index might take your capital in next 5 minutes. Because I'll show you guys. Let me open Bank Nifty. Hope you guys can see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Do you think putting these levels are easy? I'm asking you guys. Do you think that putting these many lines, these many levels, these many resistance and support looks easy?
No.
But it looks very simple, no? Because Ashrit is there in this group. He always tell that you're just putting lines. But taking calls is very easy, no? Okay, Raghu told 38,500 CE, buy on 370, target 380, 390, 400, 410, 450. I'm not demotivating you guys to in taking Bank Nifty or Nifty or directly, because it is completely up to you. But being a mentor, it is my responsibility that to give you proper guidelines to save your capital, then making big profits in one day. I'm happy if you're making 15,000-20,000 rupees profit, because there is a person in this group, his name is Ravi from Andhra. He took one day Nifty or Bank Nifty some calls, and I told him, don't do this. Maybe he's in a profit, but that profit, no, that is very temptation profit. It will give you 4 days continue profit, and one day it will eat everything of you, because it is called AI, algo trading. What happens in algo trading? Market will read your trading patterns. That is why I don't trade on Thursday and Friday. If you observe, market always read your trading patterns. You can't be in 7 days ka 7 days in green. I can challenge anyone, whoever is expert. That is why most of the pro traders, they don't trade on Thursday and Friday. That is a simple rule. That is why there is a discipline.
But in commodity, it happens more.
Yeah, because it is a bigger risk. In cash also that happens. But cash mein kya hota hai? People will hold. They don't sell it. It is a equity. Nothing will happen. It happens in everything, because that is called AI. Market will understand, read your patterns. Exactly looks like that. भाई कोई मेरे ऊपर बैठा है, मेरा ही स्टॉप लॉस खाने के लिए ट्रैक कर रहा है, मुझे ही टारगेट बना रहा है मार्केट.
But in commodity,
Whoever never had this type of feeling when you're trading. Tell me one person who you never had this type of feeling when you trade. भाई कोई मेरा ही स्टॉप लॉस खाने के लिए मेरे पीछे ही बैठता है.
Yes, sir.
Anybody is there who can tell me no, ऐसा नहीं होता है? Because on the Friday, same calls, same trade. One person is in 10,000 rupees loss and another person is in 20,000 rupees profit. Same time, same call, same to same strike, same capital, maybe 2 different geographical location. How that is possible? First, please understand how to put resistance and support. Now I'll show you a simple stock. You guys, anyone can tell me any one stock. Everybody will get one chance right now quickly. Then we will wind up this call. I will show you how to put a resistance and support on whatever stocks you are saying quickly.
Go with SBI.
SBI, and tell the full name, huh? Don't tell SBI, because there is no stock of SBI. Stock is SBIN. I'm
Okay,
little straightforward, because same time when you're trading, if you put SBI, you don't get that stock. You have to search. You're wasting your time there.
SBIN, correct.
Time is super important if you're a trader. Now, okay, already my levels are there. I'll remove that levels. Cool. Now what you need to do first, you have to put 1 month candlestick pattern. 1 month. Okay, maybe people say it is a big job. If you really want to make money, you have to be very quick and you have to have a effort. Okay, in a 1 month, if you are observing here, now this is 1 month chart. Now market how many times went up and how many times came down. Most of the place here, what is happening, market is exactly took most of the support here at 362. But yeah, we really want this as a swing traders. Market might come back to this level soon. Secondly, market struggled a lot at this place. Observing every time market is coming here, going up, going down, wick rejection, all these things. Now it is in 516. Now what you need to do, change the time frame to 1 week. In a 1 week, you got a smaller idea now. Okay, exactly my levels now. See, came down, came up, down, consolidation, up, down, consolidation, up. Now what you need to do in a weekly time frame, again mark smaller levels. What is your resistance here? Example, if you are observing in this line at 516, market always struggled coming down and going up from the same level. Now you change weekly to day, 1 day candle, and now see in a 1 day candle, almost market is in our range only, which is we drawn in a bigger time frame. Now you know, okay, your time frame is working. Now change the time frame to your smaller time frames and put resistance and support. Now once this is done, now you know what is happening here. In a daytime, now draw trend line and see from what market is taking support, from where it is taking support, and why it is taking support. This is one trend line. You can take like this because it is a closure of the candle, and make one more trend line from top side to downside where it is giving a resistance and support. Now this is on a 1 day candle what we are putting the drawings. Now if you're observing, you got little idea. This is your support, this is your resistance with the immediate time frame, maybe within 1 month, because you're in a 1 day time frame. Now you need to do quickly to 1 hour, because it is a swing trade opportunity for you. Now you have a clear cut idea on Monday. If market is breaking this trend line and sustaining above this, market is bullish. If market is coming down and breaking below this line, market is bearish. It is super simple, but yeah, it will come only with experience. One can take a screenshot of this or take a picture in your phone and you can see on Monday. You want me to send this? I can send this. I save this chart. I'll send after this call. Next talk.
Mangalore Chemical Fertilizer.
Sorry, MCF.
Mangalore, yeah.
MCF. MRPL.
Not MCF. Mangalore Chemical Fertilizer.
MCF only, no?
No, not MCF.
The stock is delisted, I guess.
No. Yes. It is MCF only.
MANGCH.
Why it is not showing in my?
No, MANG.
Okay, Mangalore. Okay, got it.
Yeah, Mangalore Chemical. The second one.
Okay, in 2 months before this, name is changed. Cool. I remember now. So it was MCF before. Now it is changed to Mangalore Chemical and Fertilizers. It was MCF before. I had a stocks at 30 levels. Okay, cool.
Breakout.
Yeah, let's see 1 month first. You can't just simply think breakout. First, we will only follow levels. Now, in a 1 month time frame, where was the stock? Stock is giving a double top. So we will see the first resistance was here. Second resistance was here, and the immediate support was here in a monthly time frame. We are watching it a month. It's a multi-year breakout now. Then we will go to week. and we will see where exactly market is struggling. Okay, in a week also we got conviction because exactly many weeks also it was sustained above these levels. Now we will go to daily frame, and in daily frame what we do, we will follow a trend pattern here. Now market is closing above the breakout. Now what you need to do, you have to wait for 98 to retest, or you need to wait till this week high or this closure 101 to retest. So market will come down from here. If it is sustaining above this, then it will go up. Now in this momentum you need to check one more thing, which is volume, because here volume is very important. Sometime what happened, there will be no volume. See, first volume was a breakout possibility, then came all the selling same time, again there is a volume buildup. Now again you need to wait if there is a selling pressure will come, and it will give a what do you say, retracement here. From here, if it is not sustaining, then it will come here. If from here also if it is not able to sustain, again it will come back to 98 levels. From 98 levels it might give a bounce back. If you want a target for this, okay,
Can you consider this for swing trade then?
yeah, you can consider, but only wait for the proper breakout. Same, you have to wait for a retracement first, then only you can try, because there's a big wick rejection happened here if you observe. So let's see the trend line from this place, and trend line nahi will go for resistance zone. As per me, it will come down little bit, then it will go up, because right now all the chemical stocks are going up. This is going along with that chemical stocks only today. So you can see the first target upside. If we take this line is 119. Second target is 1 minute. Second target. You can see, if it is going amazing move, you can see till 140. But ensure to trade with the proper stop loss. Okay, next stock. Somebody left the meeting. Sorry? Vedanta. Vedanta Fashions or Vedanta Metal?
VEDL, sir. VEDL.
Okay. Consolidating now. So yeah, Vedanta is consolidating in upper trend now. If it is giving a proper breakout, then only go for a buy side. Otherwise, wait till watching the levels. It's taking support, or even on the top side also it is taking good support. If it is giving a breakout, I mean it is not a breakout, it has to consolidate little bit, then only it might give you a chance. If it is above 439, then it might reach 469, but it has to sustain above 439. Next stock, quickly, more 10 minutes.
So GN Axle.
GN
GNA Axle. Yeah.
Who asked this question, Kumar?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have the stock?
Yes, sir. I have it.
What is your buy frame?
Sir, just a moment. Sir, it's 656.
Wow. Why you bought this?
Actually, before I got a call from other company. That's what I was taking a call.
Oh, you bought at a breakdown level, man. Come on.
Yes, sir.
656.
Yes, sir.
Exactly here. See, that is a breakdown. See, when you know support, see, exactly. This is the place where it gave a breakout. Again, it consolidated. From here, it went up. Again, it consolidated. It went up very high. And you bought at the wrong place because I'm not saying you to book loss or something. I'm just telling you what mistake you did, because that is more important what you need to know.
Yes, sir.
So if you are drawing a trend line here at the downside, it is giving a downwards momentum. There is no single upwards momentum is happening. That too in a daytime time frame. I don't know why somebody asked you to buy here, because it is not a testing period. And observe, in this time whenever you bought, all the volumes were in red because everybody was selling the stocks, nobody was buying. So now if you are observing, now actually time to accumulate, because if you are observing, there's a huge volume buildup is happening. And if I can see in as per my study, it is a trend line. From here it is taking support, it came down, retracement happened, again volume build up, again on the support. It will go up next till this swing only. The current first target, okay, sorry, the first target would be, sorry, not that target, first target is this, which is 576. If breaks, then you can see 576, then 584, then third target is 599, fourth target is 608. I don't think so it will go above 608, because then all the gaps whatever it is created is already filled here. So it will consolidate it in this place only, then only it might give a momentum, because right now and complete stock is in a downtrend. There is no head, shoulder, any patterns. It just went up, it just coming down. Before that also stock was like this only. Now also stock is like this only. Cool, hold for some time. It will come up, not maybe not right now, but end of the day, the problem is that you're blocking your money, correct? Next stock. Last two stocks, okay? Last two stocks. It is 9:30.
Latent view.
Which one?
Latent view, sir.
You are behind that only, man. So what I need to do here, you tell me.
Sir, we need to mark resistance lines.
Okay, where is the resistance and where is the support? Before that, can you see something?
Sir, volume buildup is happening.
Okay.
And it's, sir.
Yeah, what else? Come on.
Sir, it is going up, sir.
Because it came
W.
down.
It's forming higher highs.
Okay, higher highs, then
W pattern.
okay, W pattern next. Is there anyone observing? See, the biggest mistake what trader does, you are only seeing this part. Why you are seeing only this part? Because you want your money should be double, no? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Correct, no? Why nobody is watching this part?
So it's in downtrend.
Exactly, it is in a downtrend. It went up. It is a IPO. It is blasted. After that, huge volume came down. Whoever bought it is below IPO numbers. Observing, guys, it was overpriced stock, and it came down below IPO price, and it consolidated from 21st February to April 4th. Now it is giving breakout. It is not the right time to buy. It is time to wait. Hold your horses. See, second trend line. This trend line. This is that too in a daily time frame I am seeing. Monthly तो टाइम ही फ्रेम ही नहीं होगा, 2-3 कैंडल होगा. हाँ, क्या करोगे ये देख के? You can't actually understand. This is just playing around. And in continuous 3 months there was a sellers only. Only this first month you forget because it is a IPO month. After that 1, 2, 3, everyone is just selling. Why they are selling? And now buying is little bit started. So let it break this level, this 655. Then you accumulate and buy. I'm not interested in this new IPO stocks. Only Adani Wilmar because it gave us a lot of money. Otherwise, no. Because it is Adani.
Exactly, sir.
Because it is Adani and NDA government. So whatever you want to buy, you buy. It will go up.
Sir, just an additional question on latent view. But I mean, this is more probably a beginner's question. When do you think you should? Does it give indicators to average, or you bought, you stuck? Is there? Should you explore averaging, or the only option is wait and look for better opportunity if you are holding it?
No, IPO stocks always will never give you indicator for next 1 year to learn about it.
Okay.
So that is why don't invest money in IPO.
Got it.
So same money you invest in other stocks.
Which are already consolidated, right?
Okay,
now, sir?
somebody is asking Symphony and Canada. Bhai, Symphony was my call. Why you are asking the same question? Are you holding? I asked you to sell at my levels. Look at my stock. This was a call I had given at 1080. Now it is in 1203. Still you are holding. इससे ज्यादा कितना पैसा चाहिए भाई? You guys are watching the breakout? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Watching.
So we select these type of stocks. So this was a resistance and the support, breakout, retest. Exactly we asked people to buy in a cash call. Now it is just going up. It will go up till now our target is done. If one want to hold for more time, you can put a stop loss at 1165 and wait for a target. First target would be 1240. Second target would be 1249. Tight target. Third is again very tight target of 1254. If this all breaks, then you can see a big swing of 1287. Then maybe 13, but it is very long time. Which is the next stock you said? Canada. Sorry, Renuka, I already shared chart. Now Renuka is in a super duper juice. Okay, Canara Bank. This is a very good pattern. Head, shoulder, again one more shoulder is happening, and trend is upwards. Good volumes, banking sector stock. If you're observing here, this is exactly standing at one breakout level now, and right now if it is able to sustain here, then it will go again up to this level, then again it will come back to the same level, retest, then it will give you amazing breakout. Canara Bank is ready to give breakout. Yes, it is ready to give a breakout. Watch these levels, it will give you amazing jump, and your stop loss will be 242. Jubilee Foods. Okay, last one. Okay, Renuka first. Renuka and Jubilee Food is done. After that, no stocks. Then we'll wind up. Sugar is very hot. I don't want to say anything because I already sent this to you guys in a group. Raising hedges, superb. I'll put one more what I just saw now. I'll just put that. I told you guys, no, once I'm in Bangalore, I'll do a lot of classes because I have set up here. Again, big volume crash. So we don't know what will happen on Monday or Tuesday. I have around 10,000 quantity holding. So see, it gave an amazing jump, amazing downside. So we don't know. Let's see and wait, watch. But it gave a breakout. So breakout will come back. Pullback is always the rule. Market will not just go like this one way up. That only petrol price goes. This is stock market. This goes like this slowly. The last stock, what year I forgot. Jubilee Food. I don't know why you guys are holding. I'm typing here. These type of stocks, yeah. You love Pizza Hut or Jubilee Food.
JUBL.
Jubilant Food. What is Jubilee Food? Downtrend. अरे भाई, okay. पी ले लो, अच्छा पैसा आएगा. जैकपॉट पैसा आएगा, पी ले लो, पी. सच में बोल रहा हूँ. People are saying, no, ये रघु कितना easily लाइन ऐसा मार रहा है तो, है ना? आश्रित नहीं है क्या? और उसका माइक्रोफोन सही नहीं है.
सर
ना, आश्रित का माइक्रोफोन नहीं है, इसके लिए तो मैसेज कर रहा है शायद. तुम्हारे पास ये स्टॉक होल्डिंग है क्या पीयूष?
हाँ, यस सर.
कितना?
सिर्फ 10 क्वांटिटी सिर्फ.
कितना लॉस में हो?
अराउंड 800 रुपये पर शेयर.
पर शेयर 800 रुपीज यूर इन लॉस?
यस सर.
मतलब 8,000 रुपया लॉस?
यस सर.
अच्छा यार, फैमिली को लेके जाके पिज्जा खाओ. ये ऊपर तो, सॉरी फॉर द जोक, बट ये ऊपर तो अभी नहीं आएगा. ये अभी डाउन ट्रेंड में है. हाईएस्ट वॉल्यूम बिल्डअप हो रहा है नीचे, एंड इधर एक स्प्लिट हुआ है 5:1 में 19 अप्रैल को. सो आपका स्टॉक आपको एक्स्ट्रा मिला होगा स्प्लिट में. आपके पास 10 स्टॉक है ना, मतलब आपको और 2 स्टॉक मिलेगा.
यस सर.
मिला और मिलने वाला है.
आई नीड टू चेक इन दैट डीमैट अकाउंट. वो बहुत दोनों दिन से मेरे होल्डिंग में पड़ा है.
और आपका 24 मई को अर्निंग से तब तक वेट करो. बट अभी ये सपोर्ट में ही है. सो इधर से ऊपर गया तो आप कितने में बाई किया था? आपने इधर बाई किया होगा 3,430.
यस सर. यस सर. एक अराउंड 34 और 3500 के.
हाँ, बिकॉज ये जगह है ना बहुत टेम्पटिंग था. देखो लोगों ने
हाँ,
बहुत सोचा भाई ऊपर जाएगा, बिकॉज इधर से ब्रेकआउट दिया, इधर से और भी उड़ेगा 7-8 हजार तक, बट इधर से ऊपर गया था, बट लोगों ने इधर प्रॉफिट बुक नहीं किया.
that was mistake.
That is not a mistake, that is a learning. You just spent 8,000 rupees on learning, that's all.
Yes.
But still you got the learning and you have not lost 8,000 rupees. Still it is there. So wait, it will come back here. If it is only breaking above 3,200, then only there is a chance that you can average it. Otherwise, hold for some more time, because Jubilant is doing good expansion. So just hold for some more time. Maybe if you really don't need that 80,000, 3,000 matlab 30,000 rupees, then just forget it.
Okay, sir.
उसको उधर रहने दो, वो ऊपर आएगा. Because if I am seeing in a long time period, stock went to 4,600. ये टाइम पे मैंने सीई लेके बहुत पैसा किया था. ये दिन कोई अर्निंग का दिन था, शायद वो रिजल्ट का दिन था. एक की बार ऊपर गया, वो ऐसा एग्जैक्टली अर्निंग का दिन था. इधर देखो अर्निंग था, करेक्ट. ये दिन ना बहुत ऊपर गया मार्केट, बहुत नीचे भी आया था. सो मैं इधर ही पैसा किया था, इसके लिए मुझे याद है. सो दैट इज द मैक्सिमम इट वेंट अप. यू हैव टू वेट, but it might give you breakout. Right now it is coming down. See, huge volumes build up on sentimental is down.
Thank you,
Cool,
sir.
guys, then we'll wind up. Before that, hope everybody understood what we learned today. 1 minute, hold on, guys. Okay, sorry. Yeah, everybody, I hope you understood what we discussed today, and please start practicing. Without practicing, you can't do anything. It is exactly like driving. I always tell people, if you don't practice driving, still you will see भाई कौन सा गियर डालूं, अप है डाउन है, सामने सिग्नल है, क्लच लेके क्लच डाल के पहले क्लच लगाओ और पहले गियर चेंज करो और पहले ब्रेक लगाओ. So you will be confused. Practice. If you practice, then you can make amazing money from stock market. Amazing money. But the problem is that nobody want to practice. सबको भाई बैंक निफ्टी कॉल लेना है, आज 10,000 डाला, कल 20,000 चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं होता है, नहीं होता है ऐसा. A engineering student and a medical student grind themselves for 5 years. They learn, they'll fight, they'll have a lot of struggle. When exam comes, lot of things they go through. 6th year, when they get a job, they'll start earning 2 lakh rupees per month salary. Same thing in stock market. Just give time, no. But stock market में ऐसा नहीं, because आज डाला पैसा कल चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं होता है बाबा. पहले 1 साल टाइम दो, सीखो, प्रैक्टिस करो, अंडरस्टैंड हाउ थिंग्स गोस अप एंड डाउन. उसके बाद यू टेक इट अप, देन यू गो डायरेक्टली. Whichever you want to trade in currency, I'll give you calls. Huge money in one overnight. You want to trade in bitcoins, I'll give you calls. Overnight you can become crorepati, but overnight you can become bhikari also, to be honest. Because in a bitcoins, in those trades, there is no something called stop loss, there is no something called account, what you say, square off. If that goes minus, they will come to your house. That is why I am giving you a very safe option. Start with cash, equity, slowly, go slowly, make your 10,000 into 20,000, 20 into 40, 40 into 80, 80 into 1 lakh. Then in that 1 lakh, 80,000 you invest on stocks, 20,000 you invest in intraday. Once your intraday 20,000 will become 40,000, from that 40,000, 20,000 you start work on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Make that 20,000 into 50,000. From that 50,000, you start working on commodity. This is how you have to go step by step. One fine day, you will have 5 lakh rupees capital, money, cash, plus 5 lakh rupees worth stocks with you. So your net value is 10 lakh rupees. because stock is also growing side by side. So systematic investment plan is very very important. Simply okay, account open किया, पैसा डाला, अभी ट्रेड शुरू, ऐसा नहीं होता है. Please take it very seriously. Maybe I'm giving a lot of ज्ञान because it is for your money. If you really want to lose money or if you really have a mindset, देखो आज 20,000 लॉस हुआ तो भी चलेगा, 20,000 मुझे दो भाई. Because whatever you are giving to someone, no, you don't know who is that person, that side, who's taking your loss. You know Raghu, no? You give to known person instead of giving to unknown person. But don't lose money. We are not here to lose money. We are here to make money. So please, everybody come back from tomorrow. Per day, 10 charts. Yeah, hard work is there. It is only up to you. See, I can give you targets. आपको 10 चार्ट करना है कर लो, नहीं करना है तो मत करो. बिकॉज मुझे कोई प्रॉफिट नहीं है, मुझे कोई लॉस भी नहीं है. आपने फीस दिया है ट्रेनिंग का, मैं ट्रेनिंग दे रहा हूँ. अभी सीखना छोड़ना आपके ऊपर है. अभी मैं आपको टारगेट देता हूँ 10 चार्ट दे दो, 10 चार्ट लेके आओ. होगा ऊपर नीचे थोड़ा मिस्टेक, राइट प्लस माइनस होगा, इट्स फाइन. बट इफ यू डोंट शो इंटरेस्ट, बिकॉज आई एम टेलिंग दिस फ्रॉम लास्ट 3 months, some people come, some people don't want to come, but still I am telling. Because whoever is not coming, no, I can show you with the proof they are in loss after even taking my calls, because they don't want to study, they just want to make money. Whoever came with the charts, I can show you that they are making their own money without my calls. Resistance and support and price action is the god. If you are mastered in this, nobody can stop you by giving calls to anyone. I can give an open challenge to anyone, but yeah, please understand how this works. And all about charts. देखो मैं अभी 2 मिनट में बोला, इसका मतलब it is not a rocket science. I just in front of you only I made these lines. It is not very complicated. You have to just see where it is stopped. See trend line, okay, 1 hour में तो तब नहीं डाला था. Let me go 15 minutes. Look at the chart. Exactly at that levels only it is working. Because it's a price action. Simple price action. Very simple price action. Now you know exactly where to buy, where to sell, where to enter, where to re-enter, where to come back. But it will take some time. Because you need to practice. क्या 5 मिनट में डाल के देख लेंगे? चार्ट तो वही होगा ना. कौन सा टाइम फ्रेम में भी चेंज किया तो भी उधर से तो बाउंस मारना है, एग्जैक्ट पिन पॉइंट से. आपके सामने तो दिखा रहा हूं. देखो 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 everywhere. That is why I can give you Bank Nifty and Nifty कल क्या होगा आज ही, because I know exactly, I can see price action and resistance and support. Cool, then let's wind up today's call. It was a good discussion, and I can see most people are there today. Some people wanted to go early, but everybody's here. Cool, guys. Let's see a big gap up tomorrow. Maybe around 140, 130 points, maybe. And we can see good money coming up. If one want to check and re-enter, one can re-enter again Mirza International. It is again giving amazing breakout. Looks like it will act like next NDTV, because NDTV from 150 to 250 it gave a good moment. So Mirza International is maybe it is trying to give 40 to 50% returns in next 6 to 7 days. That is one secret tip what I wanted to give. Cool then, guys. Thank you and good night. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Good night, sir.
Bye. Good night.
Thank you. Good night.
Yeah, I'll send the recording session link from YouTube once I upload.